In a small Jamaican village, 16-year-old Aisha is known for her kindness and purity of heart. One day, while exploring a hidden cave, she discovers an ancient, beautifully crafted basket. To her astonishment, when she touches it, gold coins begin to pour out, shimmering in the sunlight. Word spreads quickly, and soon, Aisha finds herself at the center of attention, as others flock to witness the golden miracle. As Aisha shares her newfound wealth with her family and friends, the initial joy transforms into envy. A rival named Keisha, once Aisha's best friend, becomes consumed by jealousy and seeks to claim the basket for herself. She spreads rumors, suggesting that the basket's magic could be harnessed by anyone willing to betray Aisha. Tensions rise in the village as greed and suspicion take hold, leading to a rift between longtime friends. In a climactic confrontation, Aisha and Keisha face off at the cave, where Alisha learns that the basket's magic is a reflection of the heart's true nature. She must decide whether to continue sharing her fortune or protect it from those who seek to exploit its power. In a moment of clarity, Alisha chooses to return the basket to its resting place, realizing that true wealth lies in community and friendship, not gold. But after a deep and long conversation about the financial instability on both of their families, they return to get the basket and decide to split the wealth equally among themselves, family and friends.